Hello everyone, and welcome back to Taste Cabinet. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, and that is preventing nerve damage using powerful herbs. Nerve damage can be a serious issue, leading to conditions like numbness, tingling, and even chronic pain. But the good news is that there are natural ways to prevent it, and that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. When it comes to nerve damage, there are several factors that can contribute to it, such as injury, infection, and even certain medical conditions. Traditional approaches to prevention and treatment often involve medications and surgeries, but what if there's a more natural way to take care of our nervous system? Let's dive right into the herbs that have been found to have incredible neuroprotective properties. The first one is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful compound that has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that curcumin can actually help to prevent nerve damage by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new neurons. In fact, one study found that curcumin was able to reverse neuropathic pain in mice. Another herb that has gained a lot of attention for its neuroprotective effects is ginger. Ginger has compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research has found that ginger can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to nerve damage. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginger has been used for centuries to treat conditions like numbness and tingling. A lesser-known herb that has some amazing potential is ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb has been found to have powerful neuroprotective effects and has even been shown to promote the growth of new neurons. Ashwagandha has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat conditions like anxiety and stress, which can contribute to nerve damage. Finally, let's talk about St. John's wort, an herb that has been used for centuries to treat conditions like depression and anxiety. Research has found that St. John's wort has neuroprotective effects and can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. In fact, one study found that St. John's wort was able to reduce neuropathic pain in patients with diabetic neuropathy. While these herbs show a lot of promise, there are some challenges that we need to be aware of. One of the biggest challenges is misinformation and a lack of research on the use of herbs for nerve health. It's also important to note that accessibility can be an issue, especially for those living in rural areas or with limited access to healthcare. So what can we do to overcome these challenges? One solution is to support more research on the use of herbs for nerve health. We can also make an effort to educate ourselves and others on the potential benefits of these herbs. Additionally, we can start incorporating these herbs into our daily lives, whether through supplementation or using them in cooking and herbal remedies. For example, we can start by incorporating turmeric into our daily diet, whether through golden milk or adding it to our meals. We can also try using ginger in teas or as a spice in our cooking. Ashwagandha can be taken as a supplement, and St. John's wort can be used in teas or tinctures. By incorporating these herbs into our daily lives, we can start to take care of our nervous system and prevent nerve damage. Remember, prevention is key, and by taking small steps now, we can avoid more serious problems down the line. In conclusion, using powerful herbs can have a significant impact on preventing nerve damage and promoting overall health. These herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and have been shown to have incredible neuroprotective effects. By educating ourselves and taking action, we can start to take control of our health and prevent nerve damage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on herbal remedies and nerve health. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements or herbal remedies. Well, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our growing community. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.